Well, thank you, and I'm happy to be here too. Right, so we got the gang. We're gonna have a nice Christmas festival party. We're gonna, just chill basically. Look, later on during the event, there will be present opening, drum singing. We'll turn the Christmas lights on at the end. Ooh, Christmas! It's beginning to look like Christmas everywhere you go. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh yeah, Books of the Cave. Bro, are you taller than me? There's no way you're taller than me. I believe this will be a wonderful time. Oh, do ya? Oh man, relax. I don't know if we're gonna get more people or not. Well, everyone, it's time to begin. Yes! Okay, guys, let's start singing. Woohoo! Look, we even got some snow to play. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Who invited him? Stallion summoned a new king. Screw you, Stallion. Screw you, I hate you. Punch in the stomach. Punch. But he looks quite happy. He summoned him, and he's happy about it. Punch. Kick. But who is he anyway? Who is he? Bro! Who invited that guy? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe he's Santa. It's beginning to look a lot like Krampus. Oh, wait a minute. It's Krampus. Krampus hates Christmas? No. No. Oh my god. Bro. And he almost stabbed Stallion, the guy who summoned him. Who? Oh, yeah. Bro, he just came out of nowhere. Bro. He's trying to kill us. Not for no reason. Well, he does hate Christmas. I am Krampus, and I am here to finally destroy Christmas and punish those who need punishing. And you all shall be punished. Wait a minute, how are you going to punish us? What, by trying to stab us more? Wait a minute, no, he can't burn the tree. No, bro, why is he burning the tree? Bro, the Grinch 2.0. Bro, why are you burning the tree? That's a bit too far, man. That is a bit too far. Why are you burning the tree? Why? No, how about I beat you up? Yeah, not the tree. I completely agree with you. No, it's time we all strike back. Fight fire with fire. Who cares if he's trying to stab us? It's ice anyway. Well, it's pointy ice, but... scientists, where are you going? You have to help us. Oh no. This is not. Oh no. The cave is blocked. Oh my god. Oh, I'm back. Jesus, why is this? Oh my god. Bro, is that Mike the Miner? He's frozen. Bro, that's why the scientists, left us earlier. Bro, look how much snow there is. Look how much snow. Look how much snow. Alright, thank God the scientist is here, or else we would have been here for a very long time. Okay. Thank you, scientist. Bro, look how much snow there is. The hub is covered in snow. Oh my god. So what's gonna happen here now? Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, this used to be the Halloween King area, the party area. Now, yeah, I'm gonna go into the castle without you guys. Be more quick. Whoa, this is massive. This is more bigger than the hell? What the hell? What the hell happened then? Bro, no, bro, what is he doing? Why is he messing up? Bro, why did he move it? He did it on purpose then. Oh, why? But forget about that. Oh my god, the whole hub is just covered in snow. It's just covered in snow. Okay, now let's just explore this place. Okay, this is where everyone is. Oh, wait, what? Tommy gun? Oh, bro, bro, people are frozen up. Bro, this area is massive. This area is 10 times bigger. Oh my, bro, this area's massive, man. So it's only us and the scientist who's like alive when he like unfroze. Whoa. Oh my god, this area is massive. I can't get over this area. Krampus? Krampus? Oh my god, this area is massive. This area is huge. Like, bro, this area is massive, man. This area is massive. Hold on. Is it me or I'm seeing stuff? Bro, there's not even a monster in there. We never had a monster in the hub. So, oh my god, this area is massive. Oh my god. But this area is sick. This is way more better than the Halloween King area. Bro, Krampus is not messing around. Krampus. Like, bro, this area is massive. Like, what? This area is massive. Why is it so big for, like, even, like, everyone is frozen. Like, look, they can't even move. Whoa. Look, and there's even, like, a little candy cane, like, which is cool. This area is big. Even Krampus is massive himself. Look how much people are frozen. And there's like even a monster in here. Like, a monster. Oh god. There's like even a monster too. Bro, this area is so massive. Like, there's even like a Yeti, I want to say. Yeti? Oh, bro, my friends are all gone. No. Oh, it's time we do something. It's time we do something, man. It's time we do something. Make a change. Bro, Krampus just fully, like, just did that. Don't think he won't die to snow, like, even if we, like, got massive snow. It's not as a small snow, but look how much snow we got now. It's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Like, look how big this area is. Look how big. Oh god, he wants us to be gone. Look how big that area is. Look, even the whole thing is covered in ice and snow. Like, oh my god. Like, I did not expect this at all. Well, I guess so though. We should have invented Barney battles when we had the chance. No, don't say that. We only got 2 more pillars to go. Well, I can't get over this, man. Bro, why are we back here? Oh wait, are you gonna burn any snow or? Well, look, I'm sure you can just, you know, burn more ice. Just burn all of it. Oh ho ho. Wait a minute, who's that? Santa! Oh my god, guys, Santa's coming to help. Santa's coming to help. Santa's coming to help. Santa's coming to help. Look, it's Santa. Christmas! It's Santa against the Krampus. Yay! Oh, what do I think it is? Oh no. It's Santa. Oh my god, yes! Yes, look, even everyone's here to see this moment. And this event's quite big, like, I think this might be the best event. Oh, Santa, I think he's coming down. Santa, come on, help us, land, come on, help us. Help us, please, help us. Help us. Yes. Let's go. Oh, Santa? Wait, Santa, wait a minute. He crashed in the snow. Oh, yeah, yeah. There's no, somewhere flat to land. It's just all lumpy. Screw you, Krampus. Oh, come on, Santa, man. Come on. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Oh. Boo. No, 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 no. He's sinking in. He's sinking in. He's sinking in. Santa. Santa. Oh, I'm so happy Santa's here. Now you fell into... Yeah, Santa. Oh. Now what's gonna happen? Or I was just gonna wait till the snow melts a bit more, then we can strike. Strike first. Oh no, his sleigh's gone. Well, at least we have Santa Claus. At least we have Santa Claus. Oh, come on, Santa. It's gonna be safe. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, elf. You're a reindeer. No. No. What did you do? What did you do? They're all gone.